Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Prashna. This platform is specially created for civil engineering competitive exam preparation. Here I will provide a large number of questions from different topics and subjects related to civil engineering, especially previous year questions asked in exams conducted by TCS, IBPS and various state government exams. And here I will try to cover all civil engineering subjects step by step, and at the end a complete playlist for every subject will be available for easy revision and practice. In this video, I have included a repeated asked previous year questions, important conceptual questions, and newly asked pattern-based questions, and most important topic-wise MCQs practice for every subject. When I say topic-wise, means let's say building construction material subject, there are topics like cement, brick, lime, timber, glass, etc. I will provide one lecture for one topic. This means there will be a complete lecture only for cement where all important MCQs related to cement will be covered. Then similarly for timber, brick, lime and other topics. In this way, you will get a complete topic-wise question practice. And on this video, on this channel, I will not explain every factual or static data questions. I will explain only those questions and concepts which are actually required explanation, so that we can cover maximum questions in less time and improve our exam solving speed. And for those who want an explanation for every question, you can pause and read the explanation which is given below on each questions. And some questions in exams are completely out of the box and are rarely repeated. I will also include such questions, but since their probability in exam is very low, I will not go very deep into them. Just read, remember, and move on. Eh? And these MCQs are mainly helpful for students who have already completed their syllabus and now want to practice and solve as many questions as possible in minimum time. And this video is also helpful for new students, but they may need an explanation for every question because they have not yet studied all subjects completely. So first try to complete your subject properly, then come back to solve these questions. This will give you maximum benefit from this video. If you want to improve your MCQ solving practice and revision speed and exam confidence, then this channel is specially for you. So please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's solve more questions and crack the exam. Thank you.